Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to change the screen resolution on your Windows 11. To change the screen resolution guys, first you need to open your Windows 11 settings. So with the help of shortcut key guys, you can easily able to open your Windows 11 setting. Just use the shortcut key, hold Windows key button and press I, and here you will open your Windows 11 settings. In the settings guys, go to the system and in the right panel go to display option like this, and here just scroll down and here you can get the option display resolution. As you can see from here, you can easily able to change the display resolution on your Windows 11. That's it. So that's it for today guys. It's the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.